Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 103, binary tree zigzag level order traversal. So in this problem, basically you have to traverse the tree in a zigzag fashion. For example, we'll start with the root node, then we'll first read the right node, go to the left, and for the next level, we'll do the opposite. So it's a simple problem to solve. It's tagged as a medium, but I would say it's a rather simple problem if you use a BFS approach. And what you have to do is basically while creating a resultant array, just check the number of level or the level you are at currently. If you are at a uh, if you're at a odd level, then just reverse the node values and then append to the resultant array. That is it. This is exactly what we need to do right now. So let's move toward the solution and let's see. Okay, first thing first, I will create a resultant array which I want to return at the last. Okay, for implementing BFS now, I would need a queue, right? So queue, and let's initialize it with a root. So we have a queue now, and now I want to run loop till we get till we have any node in the queue. Okay, and we will prepare a local resultant array for each level, right? So this variable will represent that. And now it's very simple. Just run a loop in the current length of queue. So as of now, we haven't added any node from the current level in to the queue. So what we want to do is we want to run the loop for for example, initially we just had a root, right? So we will run this to a single time. Then in the next level, we'll have two nodes. Then we'll do two rounds of iteration. Then we'll have how much? Four in the best case if a tree is balanced. Then we'll run it four times. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to pop a node from my queue from the starting. Okay. I want to append that to the level nodes. Okay. Once this is done, I want to check if uh, yeah, check if there was a left node with the current node or not. If yes, I want to append that into the queue. Node dot left. Exactly same thing for the right. Okay. So once this is done, let's get out of the loop. So we have basically traversed all the nodes of my current level. And what we need to do now is you need to check if the current length of my result array is odd or even. Okay. If it is odd, I want to, let's say, reverse the nodes, reverse the level array basically. So to do that, what I'll be doing is level is equals to reverse of level if length of result modulus 2 is not equals to 0. Else, I want to use the same level. And at the last, just append that into the resultant array. Okay, so this was the solution. Let's check out the test cases. Okay, none type object has no attribute value. Okay, I think I know what is the issue. So let's say if there was nothing at the root, then this expression will not work. So let's keep a check if root is not none, else. Okay, or you can just simply write if there is something in root. I think this will also work. Let's check out now. So yeah, so the test cases got accepted. Let's submit for further evaluation. And the solution got accepted. We performed decent. Like last time I submitted the solution just before recording this video, I was getting around 58.29% of the better performance. So yeah, thanks some guys for watching the video and stay tuned for upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.